In a far corner of the territory, another old ruler is fighting to keep control. Down on the ground, Drifter is preparing for a final showdown. He's waited to make his move, and now he has a chance. Kubala is in a compromising position. Stuck at the top of a tree with his belly full from last night's kill, he has no escape route. If Drifter's challenge succeeds, he'll get to lie there first. Kubala has everything to lose, but he's cornered. He's won many battles, but today he's been caught off guard. And off balance. With a single swipe, his rule is over. He limps away to lick his wounds and nurse his pride. After her meal, Shira heads back to the den. She needs to find her cubs. Cubs are often left alone for long periods of time and will only come out of hiding when their mother returns. But her calls are unanswered. The grass gives up a secret as a lone cub stumbles from his hiding place. But where are his sisters? Did Shadow pay a visit? Shira will never know. All she can do is focus on her son's survival. October arrives, and change is on the horizon. After months of drought, storm clouds are brewing.